Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss about the batteries. See, batteries, they are classified into two types, primary batteries and secondary batteries. There are two types of batteries, that is primary batteries and secondary batteries. We will discuss about both of them in detail, that what are the type of reactions happening in them and what exactly are these. See, in the primary batteries, these are the batteries which are used only once, means that the chemical reaction that happens only once, and after that chemical reaction is over, these batteries become dead. Okay, these are used only once and then becomes dead. Okay, they cannot be recharged again and can be used only once, means that the chemical reaction which is happening in these batteries, that happens only once. Okay, its example is dry cell. Dry cell is the best example of the primary batteries, which is also called as Leclanche cells. Okay, Leclanche cells, these are also called as dry cells. Okay, these are used in clocks. These are the examples of the primary batteries which are of only use once, and after that they become dead because the chemical reaction is only happening once in them. Okay, now in them there is a container which is made up of zinc. In that, anode and cathode are present. In them there is a container of what? Of zinc. Okay, and in that container of zinc, anode and cathode are present. Okay, cathode, that is made up of the carbon, that is graphite rod, while anode, that is made up of zinc. Okay, in the primary batteries or in the dry cells, there is a container which is made up of zinc. Cathode is of carbon, also that graphite rod, and anode is made up of the zinc. Okay, and in between that anode and cathode, there is electrolyte. Between these electrodes, electrolyte which is used, that is ammonium chloride and zinc chloride. Okay, this you have to remember, very important. Container of zinc is there, cathode is made up of graphite, and anode is made up of zinc, in which electrolyte, ammonium chloride and zinc chloride are used. Okay, then at anode, which chemical reaction is happening? See, at anode, zinc is getting oxidized into zinc 2 positive. Okay, and at cathode, which chemical reaction is happening? At cathode, MnO2 plus ammonium ions, NH4 positive, okay, giving rise to plus electrons, giving rise to MnO OH plus ammonia. Okay, these are the two chemical reactions which are happening at anode and cathode. At anode, zinc is getting oxidized, and at cathode, manganese dioxide and ammonium ions, they are reacting. Okay, and these are the products formed. This is the case of primary batteries, whose example we have discussed is a dry cell. Okay, so now the further we have to discuss about the secondary batteries. Secondary batteries, these can be recharged. For example, a number of batteries which can be recharged. For example, the batteries of the mobile phones which can be recharged again and again when they get discharged. Okay, they can be recharged again by passing electric current. Again by passing electric current. Okay, now its example, the best example is lead storage battery. Its best example is lead storage battery. In that, anode is made up of lead and cathode is made up of lead oxide. Okay, the best example of secondary batteries is lead storage battery, in which anode is made up of lead and cathode is made up of lead oxide. And in that, which electrolyte is used? In that electrolyte which is used, that is 38% solution of H2SO4. Okay, 38% solution of H2SO4 is used as an electrolyte in that. Now we have to discuss that which chemical reactions are happening over there. See, at anode, Pb plus SO4 2 negative giving rise to Pb SO4 plus 2 electrons. Okay, this Pb, it is getting oxidized. And then cathode, PbO2 plus SO4 2 negative plus H positive protons plus 2 electrons giving rise to PbSO4 plus 2 water. These are the two reactions which you have to remember, which are happening at anode and cathode. At anode, Pb plus SO4 2 negative forming PbSO4, and at cathode also, this lead oxide, it is getting sulfate ions in the presence of electrons and along with these protons and forming this PbSO4 and water. Okay.